Yo, what's up? It's your boy Willie, Big Whale, coming at you live from my room. This is officially gonna be the first video ever to be put on YouTube by me. Let me introduce myself again. This is Willie, Big Whale, coming at you live from his pad, from his room. We're out here listening to a little bit of Psycho Realm. I'm freaking from downtown LA, 213, represent 213. And I'm just coming at you with a little video. This little video is gonna be about, bam. You didn't even see that coming. You didn't even see that coming. Booster Box Evolution XY Evolutions. Yo, this one right here is a bootleg. I bought it because I can't afford the real stuff. All you fools jacked up those prices, and we just, us average Joes, just can't do it no more. We got XY Evolutions. Cost me like 25 bucks. Get that little nostalgia going on with this type of box, you know what I mean? Take it back old school. I'm a 91 baby, 90s baby, you know, 91. So you know what I mean? This is what I thought would be cool for me, my first video. We're gonna open up a couple packs. We ain't gonna do it like all crazy. We ain't gonna push the freaking envelope just yet. Go ahead, open up 2 booster packs. One left, one right. Oh damn, we got 3. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We got 3. Gonna put that up. Yeah, right here in my room chilling. Look, shit, we got a couple real ones, you know, some legit ones. Blastoise, Squirtle, you know, some of my favorite, especially Charmander. Not so much Charmeleon. Charizard is badass, you know what I mean? He's always gonna be a legend. And then we got Venusaur, you know, Bulbasaur, Ivysaur, badass. All of them. I don't got the Raichu one. I got the bootleg one though. Alright, let's get it. Put this up. Alright. Oh, I was gonna grab the camera. Okay. Should come off the side of that. Oh, come on, making me look like a rookie. I ain't gonna do no tricks like everybody does. I don't even know what's up with these, you know what I mean? Oh, it looks like it's already a trick. What the? Again, that's a Raichu one. My fucking ass. I'm not a fan of it. Sweat. Just flip this one. Oh, that's we're gonna leave that one. I think it's this side. Oh. Oh, that's badass. A Nidoking. That's pretty cool, despite the authenticity. Watch out. Cool. Oh, we got the Evolve. Choke this motherfucker. Kakuna attack. Had to be the Weedle. These are badass. I like these. All these Pokemon are my era of Pokemon. Damn. Angel. Had to be in order, right? Ooh. Seal. Sick ass creases down the middle. Yeah, you get it right. Dugong. Whoa, this one looks all trippy. Bam, what do we got? Oh, we got a break. We got freaking Nidoking. I'm not even looking at that back one because that was actually a reverse. What is that? Oh, nah. Let's put this break down. And bam, let me look at it. Ooh. Dangerous with hot aim. That reverse Mew. Then I had that real bad. That's badass. That's it, man. Like, despite it being not OG original, it still looks nice. Deliver in the metal range though. Alright, we're gonna put these to the side. Let's do the Blastoise. Let's do the Blastoise. Kasaka rounds playing out your box. The packs are real tight, you know what I mean? They're not like your usual ones where you could just split them down the middle, you know? But also, I mean, if that's, I'm a little confused here. I think this is the, that's that right there. I think I'm gonna flip it, right? So I think this one right here is a goodie. That's the goodie. All right, ready? Go. Diglett. What we got? Ooh, we got the seal again. Okay. Needle King again. Ooh, it looks like the same Stilo. Oh, it looks like a replica right off the bat. You can see the difference. I'm not gonna say I've opened up a lot of XY evolutions, but open enough to not get too many. At least what you just saw. Put it like that. Bam. Badass. A badass one right there. Imagine that one, like actual for real, like I got it and I pulled it. That'd be badass. Boom. What do we got? Oh, Nidorino. Potion. What do we got? Oh, we pulled the Venusaur EX. We pulled it, fam. Look at that. That's still legit. I still like it. Average Joe. Average Joe. Don't know editing skills. No freaking. I got sleeves and basic. We're gonna finish it off. I'm gonna do how actual packs, right? Here's what that is. And it opens up in the middle. That ain't happening with these ones. You gotta freaking. Alright. Give me this one. God, there's your brother right there. What's up, little homie? Alright. I spoiled it. Reverse Magneton. I guess I was just trying to get it over with. Magneton. It's a badass pull right there. That's cool, man. These are still nice. Alright. Diglett. Dugtrio. Oh, this is nice. Chansey. Nice. Oh, look at the special. I got it. In my Goonies. The duo. And the duo. And then we got the badass energy. We got the Nidoran. We got the Slowbro EX non-hollow. That's it. That's all I got. 3 packs. 3 packs XY evolutions. Booster packs off of a booster box. Bootleg. I bought them online. They said it right there, made in China, not in Japan. I risked it just to have the fun, just to have this fun, this smile. I mean, bam, we got a Magneton reverse. Right on the edge. We got the Venusaur EX. That's a badass pull. Despite. When is Mew ever a bad pull? Shiny, reverse, hollow, whatever. EX, B-Max, bam, and a badass little Slowbro. That's your homie Slowbro. Bam. That's it. That's it, fam. That's it, fam, bam. Thank you for tuning in to Willie, Big Whale, coming at you live from his pad. Deuces, homies.